Alright, what's up guys? So, it is late in the day. We didn't do any work on the Mustang because I had to run around and get some stuff for my trip. But, speak of the devil, Jacob is here and we're gonna go pick up his new car. So, yeah, let's do that. What's up, dude? Wow, this car was a lot cleaner yesterday.
Yep.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You don't sound ready.
I'm still not sure if it's a good idea.
Of course it's a good idea.
Yeah. Very weird.
Oh, that.
Wow.
I did not know that
Thanks.
that was
Appreciate
gonna happen. Jeez. Okay, so who's coming? Cody and Steph?
Yeah. Call racist Cody.
Stefan.
How it goes?
Sorry, dude.
Calling racist Cody.
You ready?
There you go.
You ready to get this new car?
Yeah.
It's my new car.
Thanks.
You got tax. Yeah. Now we're just waiting to see the car.
I'm gonna throw up in the car, Cody, if you keep pushing that.
Good job, then.
It never works.
It worked on the Z3.
That car's made out of rubber.
Excuse me?
To be honest, this is the most
Little BB Husky.
uninteresting car we've picked up. Like trip to pick up a car. Is that true?
No.
What do you mean?
The Mustang was worse.
You weren't there. It was awesome. It was awesome. I'm bored. I've been sitting in the car for a while and I'm bored. Cody, you bored?
Mm-hmm.
Steph, are you bored?
Yep.
Okay, so we're bored.
Well, that's because we've been sitting here for like a half hour.
I mean, that's a long time. So, and all they're doing is transferring papers, so we're bored. So that's the car. And Jacob's happy about the car.
Very happy.
At least you're stuff.
Car knew me.
And that's a
Oh, wrong. This.
Clean car.
Yeah, I put it in the back window.
And
Because it's
it's right-hand drive. Jacob's a JDM boy now.
So we're going top up all the way up. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
I know. And cup holders.
What? There's power windows and cup
Yeah.
holders?
You can put it in the back. Yeah.
This thing's sick. Alright. Alright, we'll follow you, or vice versa.
You'll follow me.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Where are we going?
I thought we were dropping off one of the cars.
Yeah, but again, we need another car first.
Yeah, I can pick up the Mini.
Okay, so we'll go get the Mini first.
Yeah, and then we can just cruise in like little cars.
Call me a little car.
I'll shoot a little.
Please tell me you're recording that.
Yes. I'm gonna slide this back here, and I'm gonna. Oh yeah, we got the original wheel.
Yo, this is sick.
This is
Right-hand driving a Miata, man.
right.
This is actually sick.
This is badass. This is such a sick car.
This is actually
This is awesome.
It's still, man. Right-hand drive.
Right? This thing's so cool. Maybe I should get it. Maybe we should do. Oh, I like how it says that. It says Roadster on the shift boot.
Physical smile on my face from this. This is not even my car.
Oh my god, this car is awesome.
This thing's sick.
It's so nice having another Miata in the group.
Finally.
Maybe we should just get a Miata.
I think so. I'm honestly considering it at this point.
So notice anything bad about the car? Yeah, while driving?
No. Other than the fact that it's not mine.
So you heard it here first from Steph. This is the perfect Miata.
Compared to the 3 Pro, I almost stalled there.
Oh, this car is awesome. But anyways, Steph drives a right-hand drive car every day and mixed up the windshield wipers and the turn signals. Is this a strut bar?
Yeah, it comes with the extra bracing because of the special S or whatever.
That is awesome.
Right?
This thing's, he's gonna love it. This thing's gonna be great.
So much nicer than the last one.
Yeah.
Even the last one was boosted.
I mean, the blue one was like the Miata,
Yeah.
but This one is great. This is like, I love that. The roadster thing on the shift boot.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Roadster gang.
What's the retail on one of those?
Brakes squeal a bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Otherwise,
It's fucking mint.
is it okay?
Dude, it drives so much better than the Crown. Dude, like, the gears are so fucking notchy.
Yeah, I noticed that. I don't think they're supposed to be.
And have you noticed he's like modified the seat? This is low.
Yeah, well, yeah, I figured Paul. He did a full actually the guy before. The brakes have been squealing, right?
Yeah, clutch grab's nice.
Yeah,
I stalled it, almost.
Does it, the brakes fine though?
Yeah, like I can stop on a dime probably.
Probably. All right, we picked up the Mini. Now we're gonna roll around in some little cars here. Little car gang.
Do I have to give it back?
So we got 2-seater rear wheel drive, 4-seater front wheel drive, 90 horsepower, 180 horsepower.
The front left is yellow, the front right's like white.
Massively different color.
Yeah, that's what I noticed.
Yeah, but it's just a bulb color. That's
Okay.
it.
Let's grab this.
Oh,
Where's the...
dude, this thing's sick.
Oh, it drives so straight. I'm like, oh really? Let go, let go.
Dude, honestly, okay, I love all the little interior bits.
Yeah.
Plus, it has enough exterior bits where it's not too much, and it's
Dude,
just enough.
I
It's
don't like the mud flaps. So
Okay,
I'm
what's
gonna
that
take those
biggest thing? You can see
Yeah,
it from
maybe-
the rear.
Yeah,
do you
the
mean?
fucking
You can
rear glass
actually
is in-
see through it.
oh, because it's
Not
clear.
mine?
I couldn't see out of mine.
I don't remember.
Look how good the Mini looks.
So nice. So jealous.
I'm so happy of the Mini,
Like
and I'm happy I got another little car friend to rip around with. All right. Okay, do it. You gotta hold it. Pull it this way.
I have been. Look at
Got it in the face. Oh. It's a James Bond car. Doing some Stanley Park runs in the Mini, and then the Unos, because it's not a Miata, it's a Unos.
Probably some Japanese.
Right, Cody?
Every car
Right.
in Japan comes. Wait,
Yeah.
Cody, you take that long to eat finger foods too?
Okay, what am I looking
It's like slight left. Pans left, pans left. Okay, and there's a right. Slight right after this, for the bridge. Okay. Oh. Oh. Then I'll go left again.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Understood.
And then it is a right at the top of the hill. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Stefan and Rome's driving.
Way to keep the monotone voice going when the camera comes up.
They're looking at a blurry screen right now.
There you go.
Me. There we go. Look at that Aventador. Nope, just kidding. Still can't see it. Look at that a dent in my door. And a Mustang.
Mustang, that's what we call them here in Canada. We call them Mustangs. We're presented by the moose. The wildlife.
That was 1 minute and 15 seconds of me trying to figure out this camera again.
And I hope you know it's gonna be in it.
Oh, yeah, Rome, that's really close to that $400,000 vehicle.
No, if it's a Hurricane, it's only 2.
That's fine. Still
So
more than
Aventador is like.
a dent in my door.
What does that say right there?
Lamborghini.
Way to go.
Ooh, he's turning
Lamborghini.
right. Do we have a race on our hands here? Viewers? All 4 of you?
Wow, way to insult the one
The
other
channel.
person watching.
Yeah, me.
I love this Mini. This Mini is a f***ing race car. Okay, so we're back at home base, and that's basically it for today. I know we didn't get to work on the Mustang, and I said I was going to paint the engine bay, but I just have a lot of stuff going on between like my stuff for the trip and like complications with that, and then picking up a new car, and yeah, but I had so much fun today. I hope you guys like Jacob's car. I like Jacob's car. I think it's perfect for him. And we went driving, obviously you guys saw a little bit, and I love the Mini. Like the Mini is awesome, and I think that's gonna be the next car I'm gonna build. Like once the Mustang is somewhat done, because cars are never really done, I'm going to start putting some work into the Mini, make it look nice and handle and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Tomorrow we will definitely try to paint the engine bay. We're gonna go over to Ryan's and start putting the cam and stuff in the engine, and do some of that stuff, because that stuff really needs to get done. And then I gotta finish up some stuff from my trip, start packing, and because I haven't packed, I should have packed a while ago. But yeah, so I will catch you guys tomorrow, and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
He was a 6 Super in that video. We passed it. You missed it.
You figure out that camera yet?
You know, I'm still on my way to figuring it out. How do you put on autofocus or manual focus?
Not at all. Okay, now it is. We're just gonna have to edit this clip.